Welcome to Whiteboard Wisdom, a place where the quest for balance, growth, and enlightenment takes center stage. Today, we embark on a journey into the heart of mindfulness meditation, a practice that holds the key to unlocking profound levels of personal and professional fulfillment. In a world brimming with distractions and pressures, mindfulness meditation emerges as a beacon of clarity, guiding us back to the present moment, the only place where life truly unfolds. This practice isn't just about sitting in silence, it's about awakening to the richness of the here and now, embracing our experiences with openness and compassion. To those of you seeking to broaden your understanding, improve your skills, or find inspirational guidance, know that mindfulness meditation is a pathway to transformative growth. It nurtures a state of being that enhances our ability to connect with our inner wisdom and navigate the complexities of life with grace. Here's a refined selection of keywords and phrases, a testament to the vast expanse of mindfulness and its impact on our lives. Presence, awareness, compassion, emotional intelligence, resilience, and growth. These are not just words but pillars upon which we can build a more meaningful existence. Mindfulness meditation encourages us to cultivate a deep sense of awareness, not only of our thoughts and feelings but of the world around us. It teaches us to approach our experiences without judgment, to learn from them, and to move forward with a sense of peace and purpose. Remember, the journey to personal development and enlightenment is ongoing. It weaves through philosophical insights, practical skills, and academic pursuits, reflecting a kaleidoscope of interests that enrich our lives and expand our horizons. To all the real men and women tuning in, know that this message is designed to resonate deeply with your spirit. It incorporates trending keywords and phrases for maximum impact, intending to guide individuals seeking to enhance their personal and professional lives through the vast and varied domains of wisdom, knowledge, and learning. As we close today's session, I encourage you to embrace mindfulness meditation not just as a practice but as a way of life. Let it be your compass in the pursuit of wisdom, knowledge, and learning. Together, let's explore the depths of our being and discover the boundless potential that lies within. Thank you for joining me on Whiteboard Wisdom. May your journey through mindfulness meditation enrich your life with peace, clarity, and boundless wisdom. Until next time, keep the flame of curiosity alight and tread the path of enlightenment with an open heart and an eager mind.
Thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe for more. Have an amazing day on purpose.